Good morning everyone, this is Abid Khan and you are watching Karachians Academy YouTube channel. We have started a series of videos on past paper solutions. So today we have selected IGCSE past papers of multiple choice question, paper 0452, paper 1 and its version 2. We have selected the latest attempt of May-June 2022. So let's move on to question number 1. Question number 1, which task should be carried out by a bookkeeper? Comparison of financial statements, preparation of financial statements, provision of information for decision making, recording the financial transactions. Actually, just I'll give you a very brief. First of all, books of prime entry, or we call it books of original entry. This is maintained where the initial transactions are recorded, then data is moved to general ledger, and then it is moved to trial balance, and then from trial balance you calculate financial, make your financial statements. So this part of the financial statement, this is called reporting part, where a senior accountant or senior manager, he prepares the reports on financial performance, right? Means the profit and loss account and the financial position, and reports to the management or the shareholders for the. So this is this is done by accountant or some senior member. So this part from initial recording till trial balance, this is called bookkeeping. This is called bookkeeping. So this is recording part. This is recording part and this is reporting part. This recording part is basically done by a lower level peoples like clerks or accountant. But the higher level part is done by the manager. So let's see what question is. So which task should be carried out by the bookkeeper? So bookkeeper will do these things. Comparison of the financial statements between years, no. This is done here and this is done by the manager. Preparation of the financial statement, this is the preparation, this is done by chief accountant or the manager. So this is also not applicable, this is also not. Provision of information for decision making, no. Decision making information is given by the managers to the senior management, so this is also not applicable. Recording financial transactions, yeah, this is here in book of original prime entry, books of prime entries, this is done. So your answer is D. Let's move on to question number 2. Following ledger account appeared in Lee, a trader. Lee is a trader and this has appeared in his account. So Lee, a trader, and you see Amre's account. So it has a credit balance and there are purchases appearing. Means this Amrez is a supplier. So we can say supplier account, or so we have to pay him, or we can say this is account payable, or we can say this is creditor account. Following ledger account appeared in the books. So what is required? Which statement is correct? So you see, this is Amre's account, and Lee in this is Lee books of Lee. So he's a trader, he's maintaining, he has to pay. So these are the purchases, right? Purchase returns, bank. He has made payment to him. Discount he has received on this. So this is a basically discount received. He has received this discount on, and this is basically a cash discount, right? So cash discount at the time of settlement when we receive. So this is cash discount, right? Which statement is correct? Amres, I think again some problem in the sheet. It is not static. Amres allowed Lee 100. So this discount is given by Amres to Lee. Lee has paid, he was to pay 2000, so he has paid 1900, and 100 he has got received the discount. So, and who has given this discount? Amres has given this discount, 100 discount, but he is saying trade discount. So this is not a trade discount, this is a settlement discount. So this is not applicable. No doubt he has received the discount, but it is not a trade discount. This is a cash discount, which is a settlement discount. Amret owed Lee 2100. No, Amret is a supplier. He does not owe, but rather he has to receive money. So this is also not applicable, right? So the Lee of Amres 295 on 30th of April. Lee of, yeah, this is something correct. Lee net purchases from Amres is in April was 2900. Net purchases was 3000, right? And purchase return was 150. So net purchase was 2850. So this is wrong. So this C is correct, because Lee is liable to pay, he owes 2900 to Amres, right? So option C. So we have done with question 2. Move on to question number 3. So Sarah has sold, just 1 minute. So Sarah sold goods on credit to Zafar, right? How was this recorded in Sarah's ledger? So he said this is on credit to Zafar, means Zafar, ideally speaking, Zafar should be debited, right? And sales should be credited. Whatever the amount is there should be the entry. So how was this recorded in Sarah's ledger? Because Sarah, this is the Sarah's business, Sarah's ledger, so in sales ledger, right? So this will be the individual account. This is, one is a general ledger and other is a sales ledger, and sales ledger means this is individual customers ledger, right? And general ledger, so A number in sales ledger. So number one, Zafar is an individual person, so his individual entry will not be, you cannot pass here in, you cannot post, you cannot maintain its individual account in general ledger. Number one, you know, he is in sales ledger, Zafar account. So in sales ledger, yeah, in individual ledger, she will debit Zafar account. This is right. And credit general ledger sales account. Yes, this entry, this will be posted to general ledger, and this why? Because in general ledger you cannot pass individual entry, you have to total entry. So you cannot pass this entry into the, so this A option uh, seems fine. So if we B sales account debit, no. Credit suffer account, this is absolutely wrong. So debit sales account has nothing to do in sales ledger, because sales account is maintained in general ledger, right? So sales account in maintained in general ledger. So this is sales account, this is not applicable, only these two are applicable. And so if this is not applicable, then it is not, it is not, and it is not. The option A, right? In case of any clarification, you can write to us, and we can try to quickly respond you.